ध्यान से समझ करके ये देखना, ट्राइजेमिनल न्यूरल्जिया एक बहुत बड़ा चैलेंजेबल प्रॉब्लम है होम्योपैथिक के लिए, क्योंकि एलोपैथिक में देयर इज नो ट्रीटमेंट। बेचारा दवाई खा रहा है तो मरते दम तक खाते रहता है। ठीक है, तो ट्राइजेमिनल को समझो, टोटल न्यूरो सिस्टम डिजीज है और न्यूरो सिस्टम में हमारा होम्योपैथिक बहुत बढ़िया काम करता है। इसलिए ध्यान से इसको एक एक वर्ड पहले तो समझो ये है क्या। ये ट्राइजेमिनल न्यूरल्जिया, ट्राइजेमिनल न्यूरल्जिया इज आल्सो नोन एज ए टिक डुलोरेक्स। It is a chronic pain condition affects the trigeminal nerve, one of the major nerves in the face. The nerve is responsible for carrying sensation from the face to the brain. And trigeminal neuralgia its function is disturbed, leading to episodes of intense stabbing and electric shock-like pain. The pain is usually occurs in sudden bursts that can last for a few seconds or few minutes, may be triggered by seemingly harmless activities such as touching the face, chewing, speaking, or when exposure to wind. हमारे जो तीन तो नर्व गए हुए हैं, मैक्सिलरी में, आइस में और में, तीनों नर्व में पेन होता है, एकदम इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक जैसा पेन होगा। ये होता क्यों है? क्योंकि नर्व के माइलिन या तो खराब हो जाते हैं या तो ट्राइजेमिनल नर्व जो कान के पास है वो दब गया रहता है। देयर इज टू रीजन। ट्राइजेमिनल न्यूरल्जिया जो है एक्चुअली एक क्रॉनिक पेन कंडीशन अफेक्ट्स द ट्राइजेमिनल नर्व। मैक्सिलरी नर्व हो गया और ये सिरकस नर्व हुआ एंड मैंडिबुलर नर्व हो गया। दैट इज थ्री नर्व्स कंप्रेशन होता है वहां पर। दैट इज ऑप्थेल्मिक नर्व हो गया आंख के, मैक्सिलरी एंड मैंडिबुलर। ये तीन तो नर्व का एक ही पॉइंट में तीनों नर्व जहां से निकलती है वहां पर प्रेस हो जाना या उसके माइलिन से खराब हो जाना नर्व का। पेन कैसा होगा? सडन सीवियर फेशियल पेन, एपिसोड ट्रिगर्ड बाय द टच, ईटिंग और स्पीकिंग। बोलते समय, खाते समय, छूते समय काफी जोर से ये दर्द होता है। क्यों होता है? कॉज क्या है? कंप्रेशन ऑफ द ट्राइजेमिनल नर्व या मल्टीपल स्क्लेरोसिस, दो तो कारण हो सकता है। अब आओ होम्योपैथिक ड्रग्स। ट्रीटमेंट फॉर ट्राइजेमिनल न्यूरल्जिया इज चैलेंज टू बी हैंडल्ड विद द जुडिशियल यूज ऑफ होम्योपैथिक मेडिसिन बिसाइड्स द कन्वेंशनल मेडिसिन। अब ये देखो, चॉइस ऑफ ड्रग्स टू बी कंसिडर्ड फॉर ट्राइजेमिनल न्यूरल्जिया: एगारिकस, आर्सेनिक, बेलोना, कोलोसिन, थाइपेरिकम, कालमिया, मैकफॉस, मेजेरियम, प्लम्बम, रास्टेक्स, स्पाइजिलिया, बार्बेस्कम, मैककार्प, एरेनिया डिडिमा, कालीकार्प, जैल्सीमियम, प्लेटिना, सिप्लिनम एक्सेट्रा। हम इसको अब एक एक करके अब आपको समझा रहे हैं। फर्स्ट इज कालीकार्प। शार्प स्टैबिंग पेन, कालीकार्प इज वेल suited for sharp stitching pain that comes and goes suddenly. The pain is often described by sticking or knife-like, as if being stabbed by the needles, sharp object, and these pains may be radiate along the face, especially in the area is inverted by the trigeminal nerve. Facial neuralgia. This remedy is useful to cause intense facial neuralgia with pain that may be localized around the cheekbones, temples and jaw. The pains are usually more severe in the early morning hours, particularly between 2 to 4 a.m. We are aggravated by exposure to cold. कालीकार्प का swelling and sensitivity कैसा रहेगा? There may be swelling in the affected areas, especially around the cheeks and eye. The face may become puffy. There can be sensation of fullness of pressure as if the face's teeth are being pushed outward. Aggravation from cold and touch. Pain in the often worse with cold exposure, drafts or even slight touch. Cold winds or air can be particularly aggravate the trigeminal points associated with kali carb. Kali carb is generally left-sided pain. Symptoms may be predominantly affect the left side of the face, although they can occur on either side. Relief from warmth and pressure. Unlike many remedies, kali carb neuralgic pain may be find some relief with warm application and gentle pressure. Secondly, agaricus mus. Commonly known as fly agaric is considered as a significant remedy for the treating case of trigeminal neuralgia, particularly when the pain presents with distinct characters. This remedy is associated with the neuralgic pain that are sharp, shooting and feel like electric shock. These pains are often sudden and intense, sometimes described as a stabbing or burning, and may occur along with the course of trigeminal nerve. Key indication of agaricus in trigeminal neuralgia. Pain triggered by cold. The neuralgic pain may be worsened with exposure to cold and during cold weather. याद रखना. Tingling sensation. Along with sharp pain in the patient may experience tingling and numbness of the affected area. Spasmodic nature. The pain at many comes and go quick. Successive spasm. Twitching and jerking. The facial muscles might be displayed involuntary twitching or spasm with accompany or follow the pain. Arsenic album. सबको पता है, it is very valuable homeopathic remedy for treating trigeminal neuralgia, especially when a specific characteristic aligned with the symptom profile. This remedy is specially indicated for patients experiencing tense, burning and sharp neuralgic pain that may be accompanied by restlessness and anxiety must. The key indication of the using arsenic album is trigeminal neuralgia includes burning pain. The neuralgic pain has to burning quality, which may feel as though it is one fire. Paradoxically, the person often finds relief from the warm application or heat. Periodic nature. The pain tends to come on at regular interval and can be worse during the night and disturbing the sleep. Restlessness. The patient may be highly anxious and restless, moving about the attempt to find relief. Debilitating weakness. There may be an overall sense of exhaustion, weakness and accompanying the pain. Thirst for small sip. Patient may be exhibiting a specific type of thirst, desiring only small amount of water at the frequent interval. Then come to belladonna. It is a prominent homeopathic remedy used in case of trigeminal neuralgia, particularly when the pain presents with suddenness and intensity. This remedy is especially effective when the pain is characterized by the severe throbbing or shooting nature and accompanied by other key of belladonna symptoms. Suddenly, blasting type of pain आएगा जोर से. The key indication of the belladonna is trigeminal neuralgia. Sudden onset pain. देखो sudden and onset. Belladonna का character है. The pain appears suddenly and can be existing if a nerve is being pulled or turned. Throbbing pain. The neuralgic pain is often described as a throbbing and pulsating and may be triggered by the touch or movement. Belladonna. Redness and heat. Sensitive to light and noise. Aggravation by cold, jarring and movement. ये तीन तो याद रखो. Colocin. It is also very important homeopathic remedy for the treating trigeminal neuralgia, especially when the pain is intense, characterized by the cramping and neuralgic spasm. This remedy is particularly suitable for case where the patient finds some relief through pressure or bending forwards. Through the pressure and bending forwards. The key symptoms of the colocin is trigeminal neuralgia, severe and cramping pain, relief from the pressure, ठीक है, irritability and restlessness, trigger from emotional stress, side एकदम स्पेसिफिक रहेगा, वन साइडेड रहेगा फेस का. Hypericum performatum, commonly known as the Jones wort, is well regarded by the homeopathic remedy condition involving nerve pain and injuries, including trigeminal neuralgia. It is particularly effective when the pain involves area rich in nerve ending. Symptom typical of the nerve ट्रॉमा और इरिटेशन। हाइपेरिकम का पेन क्या होगा? शार्प शूटिंग पेन, नर्व इंजुरी सेंसेशन, ठीक है। एक्सट्रीम सेंसिटिविटी, वर्सिंग बाय मूवमेंट, tingling or numbness, that is in hypericum. Then come to Kalmia latifolia. It is also good remedy for trigeminal neuralgia, especially when the pain is severe, sharp, has a characteristic pattern. This remedy is particularly indicated for neuralgic pain that shift radiate and is accompanied by the numbness, सुन्नापन रहेगा। तो कालमिया में क्या रहेगा? शार्प शूटिंग पेन, नमनेस एंड टिंगलिंग, ये दो चीज याद रखो। पेन एकदम शिफ्टिंग होते रहेगा कालमिया का, वर्सिंग बाय मूवमेंट, रिलीफ फ्रॉम द कोल्ड एप्लीकेशन, ठीक है। देन कम टू मैग्नीशिया फॉस, इज वेल नोन फॉर होम्योपैथिक रेमेडी फॉर ट्राइजेमिनल न्यूरalgia, स्पेशली इफेक्टिव फॉर न्यूरalgic पेन दैट इज रिलीव्ड बाय वार्मथ एंड प्रेशर। अगर पेन रिलीव बाय वार्मथ एंड प्रेशर, इन often referred to as homeopathic anti-spasmodic pain due to its ability to alleviate the cramping and nerve pain. इसका मैग्नीशिया फॉस का स्पाज्मेटिक एंड क्रैम्पिंग पेन, रिलीफ फ्रॉम वार्मथ एंड प्रेशर, इंटरमिटेंट नेचर, राइट साइडेड डेफिनिटी, इंप्रूवमेंट विथ रेस्ट। मेजेरियम is an effective homeopathic remedy for treating trigeminal neuralgia, particularly when the pain is intense, neuralgic, and involves deep sensation of along the nerve pathways. This remedy is often selected when the pain feels as if extend deep into the bone is just. अगर हड्डियों के अंदर में अगर दर्द हो रहा है trigeminal neuralgia में, then you think the Mezereum. मेन क्या क्या है? Severe boring pain, worsening by cold, burning sensation. Periodic nature, irritating pain, herpetic neuralgia. Herpetic neuralgia में याद रखना, herp अगर निकला है। Then come to plumbum metallicum. It is used to cause of trigeminal neuralgia, particularly when the pain has a characteristic profile that fits the remedy in symptoms picture. This remedy is often associated with the intense drawing and radiating nerve pain that can be severe and debilitating. Severe drawing pain, sensation and constriction, wasting of muscles. अगर मुंह का वेस्टिंग मसल सूखते चले जा रहा है, बायां गाल से दायां गाल की जिस तरफ पेन है, अगर वो कंट्रैक्शन हो गया, सूख गया थोड़ा, then you think the plumbum metallicum. Radiating pain, aggravation from movement, accompanies the paralytic infection. In paralytic, ये में Rustex, everybody known to these medicines. It is mainly indicated for rheumatism and tearing type of pain. Patient who benefit from this remedy achieve the following symptoms: sensation of happiness in the head and vertigo on getting up. बैठ के उठेगा तो चक्कर आएगा. Pain in the back and the head, worsen on touch. Cracking of jaw and eating. खाना खाते समय cracking में jaw में आवाज आता है कट कट. Sensitivity of cheeks to touch. Nerve pain with chills in the face, worsen in evening. Symptom worst at night. This medicine is beneficial for managing pain occurring from TMJ disorder, especially from the joint inflammation. It is indicated when pain occurs in jaw joint. It is accompanied by the stiffness, warmth of the pressure over the joint, relieves pain. अब हो गया Gelsemium. Common name is yellow jasmine, Gelsemium. Symptoms: yellow jasmine mainly acts on the nervous system and indicated the paralysis of the motor nerve, control the voluntary movement. Patient who benefits from this remedy show the tolerance. Gelsemium का क्या होगा? कांपते रहेगा, हमेशा उसका रहता है. Head feels heavy, dull heavy headache around the eyelids, temple pain, pain in the sides of the head that extend up to the ears, pain in the nerves like supplying around the eyes along the with contraction and twitching. Flushed face, facial neuralgia, Gelsemium. Contraction of facial muscle with chin trembling, pain radiating from throat to ear. Symptom worse when thinking of the condition and humid weather. The patient feels better in the open air and bending 4 words. Kali iodine. It is a common name iodate of potassium. Symptoms: iodate potassium acts mainly on the connective tissue and helps to reduce the edema. Those who benefit from this remedy exhibit the following symptoms: intense headache, severe pain in eye and root of the nose, pain in the facial nerve, piercing and stabbing pain in the upper jaw, piercing on the deep pain in ears. Symptoms worsen at night with warm clothing and with damp weather, but improve on moving about in open air. Homeopathy drug Hecla lava. Common name is lava psoriasis from the Mr. Hecla. Symptom: Hecla lava acts strongly jaw in every offensive management of gummed abscess, bone inflammation. Those who have benefit this remedy also experience the following symptoms: nerve pain in the face after tooth extraction and due to the caries, toothache, swelling in jaw, and large cheekbones. Verbascum talpus. Mullein. Symptoms: Mullein is the remedy's choice trigeminal neuralgia due to its performed action of the trigeminal nerve and ears. It also acts on the respiratory tract and bladder, helps relieve the following symptoms: neuralgia of the left side of the face, temporomandibular jaw, joints and ear with the sensation of the parts are being crushed with tongues. Pain that occurs in the same time in the morning or afternoon every day. Pain in the ear with a feeling of sometimes stuck in the ear. These symptoms worsen at sneezing, biting hard and with the change in temperature. Spigelia. The facial pain from the trigeminal neuralgia. Spigelia is one of the best medicine for the pain in the face due to trigeminal neuralgia. Pain is mostly felt on the left side face. One feels pain on the forehead, eye, cheek, teeth and left side of face. The pain can be tearing, stitching, stabbing and burning pipe. Pain, hot needles. Pain ends in the comes go suddenly. The left side of the face is also very sensitive to touch. Erenia didyma. Erenia didyma. There is a powerful remedy. Trigeminal neuralgia has been found very useful in many cases. The patient gets neuralgic pain which are worse in damp climate and worse in cold weather. The pain gets worse around the afternoon and midnight and better by pressure. The pain is returns periodically. The neuralgic attacks occur at the same hour every day, every time. पूरे time से क्या आता है? Week and month or at regular interval. Violent sudden like pain like electric shock, pain in the right trigeminal nerve, right trigeminal nerve from the periphery inwards, sudden violent pain in the teeth at night. Immediately after lying down, the sensation of enormous enlargement of numbness of part. Cyprinum. Cyprinum का पूरा सारा टोटलिटी ले लोगे. ये हमेशा नाइट एग्जामिनेशन आएगा. Cyprinum is a deep acting remedy, Polish case remedy affecting the multiple system of the body. Cyprinum का पेशेंट जैसे देखोगे हाई आर, नोज थोड़ा सा दबा हुआ. It is positive influence. Cyprinum is frequently used in the homeopathic treatment trigeminal neuralgia, vitiligo, recurrent abscess, osteomyelitis, alcohol dependence, rheumatic complaints. It is very useful drug for combat disease. These are destructive nature and are the deep-seated, severe, violent, sharp pain characteristics of this remedy. Then come to Staphylococcus. ये भी अगर suppressed अगर एंगर है वो तो जाओगे ही, which is a spectrum of action. It is useful for a wide range of disease process. There are hundreds of indications of this medicine enlisted in our Mathematica. Here follow the indication in the brief. Staphylococcus positively influence the brain, mind, stomach and bowels, lungs, skin, genitourinary system, bones and joints, teeth. It is one of the most frequently used medicine for the trigeminal neuralgia, lichen planus, vitiligo, eczema and urticaria, huff, warts, hair loss, recurrent styes and challenge tonsillitis. It is an effective remedy for the toothache and prostate gland complaints. Come to cinchona. सिंकोना क्या था, बहुत डीप प्रेशर देने से कमती होता है ना, deep pressure requirement, not this small. China is a drug prepared from the Peruvian plant. This is the first drug was introduced by homeopathy by founder of Dr. Hahnemann. It is deep active remedy for having a profound action of the blood. China is frequently used for treatment of neuralgic pain, anemia, hemorrhage, debilitating illness and fevers and dyspepsia and asthma. Few main symptoms of the China. There is a marked debility of the patient due to the loss of vital fluids. अगर डायरिया, डिसेंट्री और कोई भी ब्लड लॉस हो गया उसके बाद अगर होता है then you come to China. This is invariably worse at night, pain worse from the touch, trap air and form jerking movement. These remedies has a deeper part of the system and removes the tendency to develop the chronic debilitating illness. प्लेटिना का पेशेंट पहले प्लेटिना जैसा खोजना, then it is violent cramping, numbing pain, later progressing to the spasm. आगे में जाके spasm में बदल जाता है. This is painful tremors and spasm, coldness and numbness of the face, sensation is squeeze in the eyes, very oversensitive state of mind and nerves. Pain comes gradually and go gradually. धीरे धीरे start होता है, धीरे धीरे जाता है. Overall good remedy for the disease of the nerves and the female reproductive system. They come to Cedron. मैं मेडिसिन का यहाँ पर हिंट्स दिया हूँ, आप उसको डिटेल आप अपने मैथमेटिक में पढ़ सकते हो. जैसे सीड्रोन है, सब कुछ इतना पढ़ना और लंबा बहुत डिफिकल्ट काम है. जैसे सीड्रोन है एक तो मेडिसिन जो कि न्यूरल्जिया अफेक्ट्स द फर्स्ट डिवीजन ऑफ द ट्राइजेमिनल नर्व, कॉजिंग पेन अक्रॉस द फोरहेड एंड अराउंड द आईज, इंटेंस पेन that is worse in the open air and worse after sleep. The periodicity of complaint of the hallmark of the wonderful drug used for trigeminal neuralgia. Sanguine, ये भी जनरली राइट साइड के लिए न्यूरल्जिया क्या है, जो कि फेशियल न्यूरल्जिया ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ द बेटर बाय नीलिंग एंड बाय प्रेसिंग हेड अगेंस्ट द फ्लोर. जमीन में अगर मुड़ जाता है उसको पेन रिलीफ होता है. फेशियल पेन ऑन द राइट साइड extend to all direction and by the redness burning of the cheeks. Then come to homeopathy, magnesia carve. Intense stabbing and shooting pain, pain triggered by touch, eating, talking and cold air, facial muscle tension and spasm, twitching or convulsion, sensitivity of light and noise, anxiety and irritability. Pain worse from touch, cold air, night time, mental exertion, pain better from warmth, rest and pressure, associated symptom headache, dizziness and numbness और tingling साथ में रहेगा. थैंक यू. वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा हमें लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. धन्यवाद.
We are providing 6 months practical clinical training for BHMS graduates, and that will actually help you to become a good practitioner. So you're welcome to join. Thank you.